Hi, how are you doing today? We are going to draw a kite from number 4. Let's begin the drawing. This is number 4. Now we start connecting with one point to the another point like this. Then we'll connect these 2 points here. Let's do it. Again, we connect this point and this point. Alright, so it's getting a shape. This drawing is the structural part, and also another one on the opposite side. Okay, with this joint this kite is flying. This part balance the kite on the sky. The tail has an extension like this. All right, so the kite is done. We can do little detailing to make the kite visibly pleasant like this. Let's do little detail on the tail. Tail is getting 3D effect here. Alright, the kite is almost done. We can make a little bit framing over here, like if the kite is on the sky, just put it on the sky. Okay, we can show little birds flying, and this is the cloud in the sky. Also sun shines from here. Alright, now the kite is flying in the sky. Thank you guys. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day.